Hi everyone, today we're going to go over how to make this peanut baked tempeh, which is a new protein item available in our grocery center. You're going to preheat the oven and you're going to need 1 packet of tempeh, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of water. You're going to add all of the ingredients except for the tempeh to a bowl, and you're going to mix it well with a fork, as you can see here, to make the sauce or the marinade. If you have time, you can add this to the tempeh and then cover it and refrigerate it overnight. If you just need to prepare it then, there's no need to leave it overnight. You can just continue with the recipe. Then you're going to add this to a baking sheet. You're going to spread it and then you're going to bake it for 22 to 30 minutes and that's done. Super simple, very delicious. You can add more flavor like black pepper as I'm adding here and use this as a protein option in your meals. Enjoy!